The third, Rahma. Rahma is in fact the origin of all Neema and Fadl. Because Rahma is the root from which Rahman is derived. And if there were no Rahman, there will be no Fazl and no Neema either. So Rahma, in a manner of speaking, transcends in its meaning all other similar terms. Because, as I have just suggested, the attribute of Rahman is derived from this Rahma. And also it is superior to all other forms of Neema, because the only Prophet of Allah who has been defined as Rahma, personified, is Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You can search all of the divine books, you will fail to see this word Rahma as it is used, as it is applied to Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. So remember Ar-Rahman, who is a source of Rahma for all the universe, and connect this with that Rahman, and you will be amazed to realize that Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, though physically born much later, is described as Rahmatul lil Alameen. Allah is Rahman for the whole Alameen, and Muhammad Rasulullah is Rahmatul lil Alameen. Now this is a puzzle which has to be resolved. A person who is born at the end of creation, whose religion stands at the end of all religions, is described as a source of Rahmah for all who had preceded him, who have preceded him. How could he be a Rahmah to the earlier people? How could be a Rahmah to the animal kingdom, to the animal kingdom? How could be a Rahmah to the processes of creation of heavens and earth? This can only be understood with the help of a hadith which refers to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and addresses him as Lawlaka lama khalaqtul aflaq. If you were not meant to be created, we may not have created the heavens and earth. So the object of creation is always a source of Rahmah for whatever is created before him, or before it, the object. If you want to grow a mango tree, what will you do it for? For the sake of mangoes. But do the mangoes appear before the tree is planted? Most certainly not. The mangoes are the last act of that tree, which is grown and taken care of, right from a sapling up to the time it becomes a tree which has reached maturity and begins to bear mangoes. If the mangoes were not the intention of the farmer right to begin with, he would never take the trouble of growing a mango tree. And if the mangoes are denied, then the tree can be denied the existence which he enjoys. This too is hypothetically discussed in the Quran and other verses. So, in this sense, is the grandest of Allah's favors which can be ever bestowed upon mankind, and the Fadl and Neema are subservient to it. All prophets share the Neema in this sense, But all prophets do not share the attribute of being Rahmatul lil Alameen. So in this sense, Rahma is descended over every other godly character, or godly attributes, or godly favors, right?